Today, we're going to look at part 3 of Emily's story on how she uses Index Universal Life Insurance to fund some of life's biggest investments. If you're getting value from these videos, go to www.talktogordon.com so that we can set up a time to talk about your situation. As you saw in part 1 of this series, she was able to access $10,000 from her policy to invest in cryptocurrency. On policy year 10, she was able to access $20,000 to put a down payment on a home for her and her children. Today, I'm going to show you how she's able to get $15,000 from her policy to help her daughter pay for college expenses. Today, we're looking at year 13, where she was able to access $15,000 to help with college expenses for her daughter. So if we go to this